All right, I'm back. We got Wendy's again. This is the spicy chicken. Let's see. Oh, you definitely taste the spice right away. That's pretty spicy. It's got tomatoes and lettuce on it. Bun's nothing special. It tastes fresh. It's like really, really peppery. You can tell the spice they're using is pepper based. You can definitely taste the pepper. The chicken patty seems pretty high quality. These are 2 for $5 right now. It's just too spicy. There's no balance between the chicken flavor and the pepper. Probably give this like a 5 out of 10. All you taste is heat. I even had to put ranch instead of mayonnaise because I was kind of expecting some heat, and it's not helping too much. All right, that's it. Peace out. Hit that like button. Subscribe. I don't think I'd get that again. Maybe.